Okay, I'm done. You guys can go watch another one of my videos. Go support the channel. Go have fun. Become a Crafty Coven member. Yeah. I'm done. Hello, sparkly peoples of the interwebs. Welcome back to my crafting coven, where we conjure the spirit of Halloween through arts and crafts. Hey, hi, hello if you're new here. And if you are new here, I do weekly videos on Halloween crafts or Halloween geared crafts or spooky cute crafts. Some of it might not always be Halloween geared, so you know, there's always those special random things thrown in. But most of my stuff I will be doing is Halloween, spooky, aesthetically cute things. So I hope you join me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and follow me and follow along for more. Yeah. So today I'm going to be testing these molds I got from Temu. I am going to be seeing how much I love them, hate them, blah 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 blah. I'm not going to be using this one, I don't think, just because the pumpkin faces on it are not my favorite. But I wanted to see if I liked it, if I hated it, how well it worked with UV resin, so on and so forth. So I'm going to be making some spooky cute earrings with just UV resin and some glitter, because with UV resin you have to have more clear resin with whatever you're using, so it actually lets all the light in so it can cure properly. So I learned that the fun way. So I'm trying to use not a whole lot of pigments with this. I'm actually going to be using these confetti glitter. These here. We're going to be working with that and Recollection extra fine glitter, because I'm extra fine with my glitter. No, just kidding. I am speaking a mile a minute, and I do apologize. I am trying my hardest. It is hot in here, and this lovely hair is not making it any better, so I'm trying to get through this video fast as I can, as clear as I can. So I'm trying. So I'm going to glove up, mask up, and work on this. So let's get into it. now I'm done with that. I am going to be taking these rings here, and I cannot wear just regular old metal on my ears, my ear holes. I can't wear them, can't do it like these. At one point I did have a shop, I did have an Etsy shop, so I used both of these on there, and I mean, I made, not for me, I had the ability to use plastic or metal, what do you call them? Hooks for your ears. I have to wear these if I'm going to wear them. So I'm going to be making these with these with these. I'm going to be using these earrings with these. Don't judge my utensils. My husband got a hold of them, so now I need new ones. You can all tell him that below. Tell him to buy me new pliers. Yes? Okay, cool. So these are done curing. I think I cured them as long as I could. I really like how they turned out, but I wanted to see what they look like. Yes, there. It's hot. So I'm going to be doing this. Pull it out. I think I might need to cure that on the front a couple more times, just because it's a little tacky. But other than that, not bad. So let's check these. So I'll have to go through and clean my hands real quick. Oh no, this one's good. Okay, so I think I just forgot to flip this mold, and I did flip this mold. When you're using UV resin, you have to cure it as hard as you can on the top and then flip it and try to cure it through there. That's why you want a thin mold with UV resin. So I did flip these, so I'm going to go ahead and shoot those a couple more times. And this is how they turned out. What do you think? Don't look at my nails. It's hard to see it, but it's pretty cute. And it's worked out real well. Not sure if I love them or I hate them. I don't know how I feel about them yet. Let's see what they're on my ears, I guess. And I'm probably going to end up giving them to my daughter anyway. Just like some fun earrings. I just mostly wanted to test the mold. These are not for me to go through and like sell or anything, so I'm not gonna be super in love with them, if that makes any sense. I just wanted to test the mold more than anything. But they are cute. I do love the glitter. I think though next time I will use regular resin, because then I can put in pigments that I love and have colorful earrings that I love. And if I ever open my shop back up, then these will be an option. Okay, so let me get out this here. Yeah, I'm a little weirdo today. It might just be because it's so freaking hot in here. It's 103 today with like, in a real feel like 120 or something. It's ridiculously hot. Ridiculously. It's just hot. It's just hot. I hate it. 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 Did I mention I hated it? Because like, I hate it. I really do. Oh look, I can count. Cool. Alright, alright. I'm trying to look around my phone here. So I'm like, forgetting I can actually look through my phone and see what I'm doing. Yeah. Alright, which way? This is the front. Ooh, that's too big. Thank goodness for having a shop that no longer is around, because then I have other options to choose from. Yes. These might work. Let's try those. I'll set that there because, you know, what is putting things away? See if this fits. Definitely feels smaller, so hopefully it will. I'm a little blind, so I have to pull it off the other camera. Okay, so it will fit. Cool. Alright. I still put it on the background, so well, it doesn't matter. Alright, so that's what these look like up close. close and personal. There are some, you know, bubbles in there, but that's just because they got underneath the cellophane pieces. And I couldn't pop them. But I think they're cute. They kind of remind me of the ghost I did. Like, so shiny. I love chunky glitter sometimes. Sometimes not so much. I'm super particular about things. Try these on. I have my ear in there. Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna pretend that this is my ear because my ear hole closed up. So, oh look, oh they're so pretty on my ears. It's a new trend. We'll just say that. It's just a new trend. But overall, they're super cute. Let's see what the ghost looks like against my hers. Wait, let's put it in front of the bat. I can't really see what I'm doing. You know what I could do? Get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, rocking that look. I look so good. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is it. Oh my god, guys, this is what I'm gonna look like for the rest of my life. You guys thought that you just saw the beginning with my other stuff. This is what's gonna happen. I didn't realize my ear holes had closed up. I knew they might have, but you know, thought I'd give it a try. I do like them overall, so yeah. Don't make earrings if you forget your ear holes are closed. I don't really know why I didn't test that before I made these, but whatever. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it makes me oh so happy, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Just do it right now. I want you to stop everything you're doing. I want you to go down below and hit that subscribe button. Do it right now. Do it. Thank you. So happy. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!